I was reading Elder Christofferson had like a CES devotional or whatever. They asked him about like how does the church educational system like play into this preparing for the second coming, and he said something very interesting. He said that it's the second coming is not so much about events that need to happen as much as it is about a people being prepared to receive him.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, we can try to look for the signs all day long. That's great, you know. Those who have eyes to see can and will see them. That's fun. Like, I love it. Go for it. But the most important thing is the sanctification process. As individuals, as families, as a community of saints, we need to be focused and eye single to the kingdom and building the kingdom and consecrating of ourselves to the kingdom. I mean, this is the imagery of the beehive that Brigham Young loved so much. It's that we're all workers. We're all contributors. Everyone has a part to play. And it doesn't matter if you're playing a big part or a small part or whatever. Like, that's not the point. The point is that everyone's welcome and we all have a part to play. And so we build the kingdom. We consecrate our talents, our time, and our resources, our assets. We give money. Like, it's a very temporal thing. We are building a temporal kingdom that is also the spiritual kingdom of God. Like, it's both temporal and spiritual, and we all have a part to play on both sides. And also a reminder that Zion will be in Missouri.
Just in case the Quakers weren't aware of that either.
The Shakers.
Lord wanted Shakers. Sorry, I said
Yeah.
Quakers.
No, I was saying that in case people in Salt Lake were aware of it.
Yeah, the reminder still applies today, I suppose.
We still have a city to build.
Work to be done.
Before the great day of the Lord shall come, Zion must flourish. Now, I know it says upon the mountains, okay? Utah plays a part. But we have to be assembled together unto the place which the Lord has appointed. And God, that's gotta be exciting. Just like the Kirtland Temple, when it comes out, it's like, by the way, we're purchasing the temple lot. Oh man, it's gonna be exciting. That's gotta be coming, right? Like soon. I mean, if the second coming's happening in 10 years, we've got to be buying that lot like in the next 3 years in order to have, you know.
It's going to take time to prep and build, have the open house, like get it fully ready. Yeah, I agree. It's got to be sooner rather than later. Based on financial conditions, it's probably going to be sooner.
Or maybe we're waiting for the, you know, I got to go back and look at the timelines. Like, does it Missouri, Jackson County have to be established first, or is that more of a post-second coming thing?
I have to double check, man.
I mean,
I
it definitely
recall the exact order.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't have enough research on that off the top of my head. It says before the great day of the Lord shall come. So it seems to imply that there's got to be some infrastructure in place there.
Yeah, definitely. Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.